Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. The drain tube sits under your refrigerator near the condenser coils. When the defrost system runs, ice is melted and drains through the defrost line. The drain tube directs this water into the drain pan where it evaporates. Now, if the drain tube is cracked or damaged, then water might start to leak. In this episode, I'll show you how to access and replace the drain tube. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver and an adjustable wrench. Keep in mind there is some variation between models, and not all refrigerators will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website to see a parts breakdown. This can be helpful to show you which parts are in your refrigerator and where they are located. First, slide the refrigerator out from the wall. When there is enough room, unplug the cord to disconnect the power. In some models, you might need to remove the water supply line to gain access to the back. Close the shutoff valve to turn off the water supply. Next, use an adjustable wrench to loosen and remove the supply line. Let any remaining water drain into a plastic container. Now, slide the fridge all the way out so you have plenty of room to work. On the back of the refrigerator is an access panel. Use a 1/4 inch nut driver to remove the screws. Now simply lift up to remove the panel. Near the compressor, you'll find the drain tube. It may be closed or half open. If the drain tube is mounted by several screws, then remove the screws. Now slide the drain tube off of the coupler. If needed, release the drain tube from the drain pan. Attach the new drain tube onto the drain pan. Next, align the tube to the coupler. If needed, replace any mounting screws. Align the back panel onto the mounting tabs. Now tighten the screws. Reconnect the water supply and tighten the connection. Open the shutoff valve. Plug in the cord to reconnect the power. Now slide it back into place. Make sure to leave a couple of inches of space between the refrigerator and the wall. This will allow for proper airflow. Now test the refrigerator to see if it's working properly. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.